Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your creative ideas into reality. Today, we're diving into a super practical and fun project, creating custom calendars with Canva. Whether it's for personal use, as a gift, or to promote your business, a personalized calendar is a great way to stay organized in style. Let's get started. First, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Signing up is quick and free. On the Canva homepage, type Calendar in the search bar. Canva offers a variety of calendar templates that you can easily customize. Choose one that fits your style or the purpose of your calendar. Once you've selected a template, it's time to personalize it. Click on the template to open the editor. Here, you can customize the text, colors, fonts, and images to make the calendar truly your own. Adding photos. Let's start by adding your own photos. Click on Uploads to add your images. Whether it's family photos, travel snapshots, or brand images, your pictures will make the calendar uniquely yours. Simply drag and drop them onto the design. Next, let's customize the text. Click on the text boxes to change the month names, add important dates, or include special notes. You can adjust the font style, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Adding icons and elements. You can also add design elements to enhance the look of your calendar. Canva has a vast library of icons, shapes, and illustrations. Click on Elements and search for graphics that match your theme, such as seasonal icons or decorative borders. Don't forget to match the colors to your theme. Use Canva's color tool to adjust the colors of text, backgrounds, and icons. This will tie your entire design together. Saving the design. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and download your custom calendar. Click on the Share button at the top right corner and then select Download. You can choose your preferred file format. PDF is great for printing, and hit the download button. And there you have it. Your personalized calendar is ready to keep you organized and inspired all year long. Thanks for watching, Genius Junkies. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more creative design tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what other Canva projects you'd like to see next. Happy designing, and here's to a well-organized year.